hearts are broken free from the fields. They are horses of love, their manes full of fire. They are parting the cities, those bright burning horses. And everyone is hiding, and no one makes a sound. And I'm by your side, and I'm holding your hand. Ride horses of wonder springing from your burning